Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I have 2 new subscriptions that are releasing today from Planything, which I'm super excited about because if you've been following along with Planything from the beginning, this is kind of like how she started off with product. There were subscription boxes that had a lot of fun, different items in them. And I think she came out with one every month, which I'm sure was a lot of work. And then she did stop doing those, and now she just does like releases of sticker books and washi and like all kinds of really awesome items. But we have a fun subscription, a new subscription, 2 new subscriptions that are going to be dropping today. So I'm going to unbox both of these so you can check them out and see if it's something that you would want to purchase. If you do, it'll be linked down in the description. I do have a discount code for 10% off, so definitely check that out. And yeah, I'm just going to unbox and then probably, I think there's a sticker book in this one, so that's exciting. But I'm gonna unbox and then probably just do a little something with them, depending on what it is. But yeah, we have 2 subscriptions. I believe this one is a washi subscription, so I'm going to unbox this one right here. It comes in this really cute little packaging right here. It's black and white. And I think that's kind of themed to what's inside of here. I love opening these kind of boxes. Okay, so we got a bunch of washi in here. Like I said, it's a washi subscription, and it is all black and white washi, which is like my favorite kind of washi, black and white, in some really nice neutral patterns. So we have 4, 5, 6 washi rolls here. I'm just gonna take everything out of the plastic and then roll them out so that way you can see how they look a little bit better. All right, so I rolled out all the washi so you can see the patterns a little bit better, but there are these 6 washi rolls that are in the washi subscription. So yeah, nice variety of thicknesses and patterns. Again, all black and white. So I feel like these are great washi styles because they're black and white. They'll go with virtually everything because black goes with everything. But yeah, those are the washi rolls that are releasing in this new subscription, washi subscription. All right, now let's go into this is a bigger subscription. So this one's gonna have a little bit more stuff. I feel a sticker book in here, and probably washi also. And it's got a really cute little bookworm theme on it. So I'm assuming that the outside of the paper is probably a little clue of like what this subscription box is going to be. All right, so that's really cute. It's a really cute little theme. Okay, so we got some washi. It is a book theme. Got some washi, which I'll roll that out in a bit. We have some, it looks like some scrapbook paper, a nice pad of notebook paper, and then a sticker book. So let's first start off with the washi. There are 3 rolls of washi, and here they are. 2 of them are like a neutral kind of pattern. We have the grid and then a little hexagon one, and then this one's fun because it's like books, so you can use that on your spreads, kind of like a big sticker, which is cool. But yeah, we had 3 washi rolls in here, and I love the colors, like these browns and blue colors. Those are really nice. Okay, so that's the washi, and then here are the paper here's the paper you can use, and you can use this to like, you know, punch into your planner. You can use it decoratively in your planner spreads. So we have this first sheet right here, which is just a big wall of books. That's really cool. And then on the back, it's like a little piece of paper, like a worn in old piece of paper. Then we have some stacks of books and open books here, and some writing on the back. And then here, are these like bookmarks? I feel like, yeah, you could like totally cut this up and like use it as a bookmark, like these 3 right here. That's cute. Okay, so there's the paper. Oh, the other side was just books on the other side. All right, and then you get this notepad right here. It's double-sided and it is aligned, a dot line right there. And then of course we have the sticker book, which I'm going to flip through here. Now this is a 20-page sticker book, so it's a little bit smaller than a normal standard sticker book, but it's got a book lovers theme. Yeah, 20 pages of decorative book stickers. Here's the first page, and these are all clear, so you get 2 sheets like that. Oh, this one's really pretty. I love the florals and the pastel colors. Then you have the bookstores. And then more of the bookstores and the books. We have some functional stickers here. Some colorful book stacks. And then the shelves, and bookcases, black stickers, functional stickers. And we have some words. So reading, currently reading, read list, wish list, new book, plan to read, time to read. So you get 2 of those. These are clear. And then some quotes. Read more books. We are made of stories. Just one more chapter. So 2 of those. Okay, so that is the sticker book, and those are all the items that come in this subscription box. Okay, what I'm going to do now that I've shared everything, is I'm just going to use this book in a really quick spread just to show you how you could possibly use these in a spread. I really love this one. That one is so pretty, but they're actually all really pretty. They're all really nice. But yeah, I really love this theme right here. So I have some paper, some planner pages that I can use to decorate a spread. Just a really quick spread, because I just want to do something real quick with these. And like I said, I really like this sheet here. I think this one's really pretty. I think I might be able to, we'll make this one work, because there's kind of like that bluish color there. So I think that'll work. And there's some functional stickers I can use too, so that's good. Okay, let me get the white out. Just white out a couple of things here and here. Okay, and then I have these boxes here, which I think can go. I'm gonna make it go. Yeah, it goes. Okay, so let's see, I want to put one here. I'll just put this down here. Make sure it fits. Oops. Did not mean for that to go down already. Okay, let me try that again. Let's put this here. Okay. Just try to avoid the holes. Let me get another box. Do pink. And then this kind of gives me a place to put a decorative sticker on top of. So I could do like this stack of books right here, the little, I love the florals. So pretty. Okay, so I can do these here. And then I can do some down here. More like the stacked ones, maybe. Like this one. Okay, perfect. I could do actually no, the quotes are too big. So we will do a quote, but I can do these little sayings. This one is plan time to read. I'm just going to stick this right here. Little reminder. And then go back to this page. And I'm actually going to change out the dot or the checklist part. And oh, you know what? Let me put washi down first right here. It's always nice when a book has a little bit of everything you need. Although, sorry, mess this up. For a spread, because then you don't have to worry about going through other books, because it takes time. It takes time. So I always appreciate when a book has like functional and decorative stickers in it to use for a spread. So I feel like those, you do need those. If you like decorative planning, you obviously need the decorative stickers, but you also need the functional stickers too to go along with it. Or else you won't use your spread, you know. So I'm gonna take these blue dots. I'm trying to think if I should alternate a little. This is like the tedious part though. So I won't be able, actually, maybe I should skip a page. See how it looks if I do it this way. Maybe I'll just skip a dot. Just for time purposes. Okay. But if you want to, these will fit like perfectly in here. I just don't want to take the time to do it. And also, I'm trying to just use this side of the page, or this one page. You know what? I think I'm going to do it. I'm going to just go for it. We're just going to add them in. I think it was easier to put them separate first and then put the other color in between. Okay, yeah, that looks better. It helps to add color on this side because I don't like covering up this side too much. So it helps to keep it very functional on the sidebar. I think that works very nicely. Okay, time for a decorative sticker on this side. I always like to use this part as a decorative little area. So let's see what I got. I mean, this is huge. I don't think I'll be able to use that. I'm gonna use one of these right here. Cover up this stuff here. Put this here. Okay, so that's good. I'm gonna put some washi in a couple places here first, before I forget. Okay, and then a little bit here. Okay, and then I'll be able to stick one more little stack of books. I'll do this little one right here. Just do it here. And then I'll add some functional stickers. Okay, kind of running out of the colors though. I'm just trying to use this one side of the page first. Okay, I kind of want this blue. I'll put it here. And we'll do this tan color here. I'll go to this page. Oh, actually, we'll do some bullet points in pink. Bullet points. Okay, let me go back to the words. I'm gonna do this time to read. Okay, like I said, just a quick little spread just because I just wanted to use the stickers really quick in a spread. So that is it for this video. Again, these items released today, so definitely check it out. Really pretty. Got all this fun washi in the washi subscription box, and then of course the just regular subscription box with the fun sticker book. This will be linked down in my description if you're interested in purchasing. Use that code if you are. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.